plucks her eyebrows like the girls at Coyote Ugly. She wants to go to Warped Tour, but they don't happen anymore. She just wants to feel the way she felt before.
Let the festival festivities begin. It's Coachella weekend. Oh, that's bright. I'm looking for my shoes. I think they're in the car. My pants are so small. But we're gonna power through. Ooh, it's dusty in here. Somewhere. My shoes, I swear. I've been wearing Uggs for months only. And yes, I knew they were in here. My mom and I are going, we're not actually going to Coachella, we're going to, oh my god, I can't reach. We're going to a couple events that are for Coachella, but not Coachella. These pants right now are cutting off every ounce of circulation that I have. And my feet are burning. Okay, let's go back inside. Show you what my mom's wearing. I just had my breast biopsy, so I can't dress cute. I have to wear, I have like a compression item on underneath this. Hello. I also did her hair. Let's see it. Oh, can I show your hair and your outfit?
I need a toothbrush.
We've got our new tank. It's a little wrinkled.
It's a little large.
She's wearing a bigger size because she doesn't like when her skin shows. Turn around, let's see the hair. I didn't realize that I'm an iconic hairstylist, but here we are.
This hair keeps just like one tickling my nose or my eye.
Your bangs look cute. You never curl them like that.
I don't know how to. It never turns out like that.
Going to a Celsius event. Right? That's the one we're going to?
That's what you said.
But first we're going to drop off some Arlo Mars to our girlies, Courtney and her sister. We're making house calls for Coachella all weekend. We're leaving the Celsius event because it's hot as balls out.
What the hell's that? Is that a shuttle?
Yeah. We got our gift bag and a bracelet. And we had ice cream and chicken. But yeah, we got in a car accident on the way here.
It could have been a lot worse. I ended up going in between two cars, hitting one who made an unprotected left turn in front of me.
It was a poor girl who just got her license. Well, that's what I failed my driving test, was an unprotected left turn.
You failed though.
I pulled right out.
Yeah, but you failed. See, she passed.
I'd love to know what this car is doing just sitting here. Now we're going home with half of the car that we left with. It's all ruined down the side, but everyone was okay. No one was hurt, so we're good. If Kimmy wasn't behind the wheel, we would have been head on.
Pretty much.
So anyways, we're leaving this event. Hello, this car.
Do not reverse in your Defender.
We cannot afford another car accident today.
I'm gonna peace out.
No, don't
Peace out. Did you see him? Yeah.
No. We're home and we've already put on sweatpants. So we're making our tanks right now. We've already dyed them. These are all hand dyed with my super top secret dye that I made for this perfect green color. Came up with this design of chains and stuff. I just put stuff that I would want to wear on a tank top. And this one hangs down too. The little star on it. And apparently this tank is becoming a viral trend right now because we have so many that we have to do. I made this thinking like, oh, this will be just whatever, we'll sell a few of these. Because we have so many tanks, I'm trying to think of different things to do with them. And then now my mom has to spend the night to finish making them. So we're all cozy on the couch. Yeah, I've been doing it with my fingers and it hurts really bad.
It is. It's hard to push through the material.
pretty soon we're gonna be a jewelry line because I've just been
I'm serious.
making jewelry. My fingers hurt so bad. I'm gonna have calluses. Pain is beauty, they say. I wouldn't even say we're halfway there. What do you think?
We're not even close.
This is what our little star looks like. How cutie. Here's one with the star, the long one at the bottom. Good morning. It's actually, I've been awake for a couple hours, but I'm just trying to get up. Like, look at my hair. I have to wash my face right now. I didn't even go to Coachella yesterday. Just being out in the sun for even like that small amount of time made me feel like I was gonna die. So, wish me luck for today. I'm exfoliating today. It's time. Why do I look so swollen? Whoever invented these things that make it so water can't run down your arms, I will literally marry you. I'm wearing the same shirt as yesterday because since I had my biopsy, I've had to wear this for 48 hours so I can finally shower and change. So I slept in the shirt I wore yesterday. I know it's disgusting, but I just really don't care. I'm gonna shower and change, and then I'm gonna do my hair. I have a really exciting idea for my hair today that I am dying to try out. Done getting ready, feeling a little bit better. Look at this. Wait. It's like a mood ring. It's activated by the sun. This is so cool. I just did my mom's hair too. Let's go get her and go to today's festivities. Can we get an OOTD?
What's that?
Outfit of the day. It's where you show what you're wearing.
I'm gonna put my shoes on.
Well, what are you wearing?
My Doc Martens.
It's hot outside already.
What's it? How warm is it supposed to be today?
I don't know, but it made me dizzy to go out there. I need to be more hydrated to be out in the sun. I don't know why, I just have a feeling I might pass out today. My outfit today, I'm wearing Arlo Mars, the color mushroom, and then just some vintage Levi's cutoff shorts. We wore jeans yesterday and felt like I was suffocating. Right, Mom?
I'm sorry, I wasn't listening.
Oh, just talking to myself?
Yeah, you were talking to the camera. I'm used to that, so I pay no attention.
I was just saying yesterday was hot wearing those tight pants I was wearing.
Oh, yeah. Well, at least they weren't the leather ones or the faux leather, plastic.
I might need, we should leave now, but I might need to like stop and get like some chicken nuggets or something.
Gosh, they're gonna have food there.
Mom, I told you I feel like I'm gonna pass out,
Grab
so.
something out of the fridge.
You know, sometimes she's in bestie mode, sometimes she's in mom mode, and today it's giving mom mode. Moms are always like, there's food here, but it's not chicken nuggets. You're in this.
Oh, I'm sorry. What do you want me to do?
We had our auras red.
Did I pull your hair?
Yeah.
Sorry.
I found sparkling water. Thank God, because I haven't eaten today, really. I had some cashews, and I had some wine here, and I'm really feeling it. What's up?
You know, I feel like the price goes up faster and the pumps get slower.
Yeah.
You know?
How much are you loading her up with? Are you gonna fill it up today?
I don't think so. I don't want to make that kind of investment right now.
Jace has never once filled the gas tank.
That is not true.
You've never once filled it all the way up.
That is not true.
Ever.
I'll do it right now just to prove to you I've done it before.
I would literally die of shock if you filled it up.
Watch me sit here.
Jace leaves the gas tank until it's empty. Like, every time you get in the car, it's empty. It has, like, the light on, and I'm like, why don't you just fill it up? Like, he doesn't want to sit here and wait for it to fill up, or
I think it's because one time when I was really broke, I had my van, you know, and we were on tour. and I filled the gas tank up with like my last dollar. Like I've cleared out my account. And then like less than 6 minutes after I pulled out of the gas station, I got in a car accident and all that gas was gone. I had to just traded the car and the gas just went to nothing. And since then I've been like, I am not giving this damn car any more gas than it needs, just in case.
Well, that makes sense. Guess where we're going? Stagecoach. We're going with my mom and her 3 best friends to Stagecoach today. It is so dusty here. Ew. It's probably gonna be absolute insanity. My mom and her friends can party way harder than Jace and I can, so should be interesting. It's almost 4 o'clock, so we're going definitely like later in the day. It's like 102 degrees right now. It's hot. I'm not feeling confident in my outfit, but I'm wearing shorts. I'm feeling very big in my outfit. Jace and I have totally different looks today. He went for comfort safari vibes. I went for like more of a festival look.
Look, I made myself a button.
What's it say? It says, this might be my first country music festival, but it ain't my first rodeo. And he made that himself, so.
Just wanted everyone to know in case they were confused. It's
sure
not my first rodeo.
I'm sure everyone's gonna be coming up to you to see what that button says.
Is this your first rodeo? Then you can really tell.
Kay is calling me. Doesn't she know we're on our way to Stagecoach? Let's answer. Hello? Hi. We're literally going to Stagecoach with my mom and her friends. Say hi.
Your mommy. Oh, we need a group picture. My gosh,
Are you having fun?
I'm having a great time.
We're going to find somewhere to take a picture because it has to be, I have to be an influencer.
Then we're gonna get back to seeing ZZ Top.
Yeah, we're missing ZZ Top right now. I think right here is a good spot for a picture. Let's see. Look how pretty. Now can you tell I did like 16 different glitters?
Yes, you're dazzling right now.
They've got Yellowstone in here, a barn. What else do we got? We've got a big boot over there. We have the Ferris wheel that everyone sees at Coachella. Where do we get drinks at for the girls? Okay.
Brown sugar.
Alright, day 2. We made it.
We're here.
It's hot as balls. It's 106 today.
I'm headed straight for a rocket pop flavored twisted tea.
Yes, we're going to Twisted Tea over there.
I saw a great photo opportunity, so I can't wait.
And I'm gonna go get this lemonade. I got this lemonade yesterday. It's the best lemonade I've ever had in my whole 30 years of living. And I had 2 of them.
You discovering fair lemonade for the first time?
It's not fair lemonade. It's like the best lemonade you've ever had. This is where Jace wants to take a photo. I would pay $30.
Ask if they have a season pass.
You guys have a regular one, please? I like your hair. Thank you. I like your lemonade. So good. I had like 3 of them yesterday. Thank you.
Let's do a test.
I'm serious. I would pay prepared for like this is from a restaurant. Or like a lemon, I was gonna say lemon factory, a lemon,
It's from a lemon factory.
a
all
lemon
right.
farm.
I bet that they'd be good from a lemon factory. Enjoy.
Listen, I'm just really not caring right now about what anybody thinks because I pulled out my phone flashlight in the middle of the crowd to vlog. Not in the crowd of like people watching music, that's rude. I'm in front of this sign over here where everyone's taking pictures. But I needed to update and tell you I had Hattie B's hot chicken sandwich. I didn't like it. It was way too salty. Other than that, we missed Bryan Adams. We went and saw Guy Fieri's Smokehouse, and then we went, there was like a secret speakeasy, and we did that. Jay's got, oh my god, hold on, is something biting my hoo-ha right now? I feel like I just got bit by something. Oh, I don't need first aid, I need,
What do you do?
I don't know, I was trying to vlog.
What am I going to do with this information?
We're looking for my mom and her friends. Actually, they're looking for us. And my mascara looking extra good today. This is the MAC Stack mascara. A moment, please. I'm not having as much fun today because it's so hot, but this is my outfit. I'm feeling very self-conscious. And that's it.